I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm terribly sorry. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Sorry about that. Can you forgive me? I apologize for. Please forgive me. I owe you an apology. You can blame me for this. How should I apologize to you? I beg your pardon. Sorry, it's my fault. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry I'm late. That's all right. Don't worry about it. Forget it. No problem. Never mind, it doesn't really matter. No big thing. It's not your fault. Please don't blame yourself. Think nothing of it. What time is it? What's the time? Could you tell me the time? Do you know what time it is? How long have you been waiting? Do you have free time this afternoon? What time can we meet? What should we do to kill time? It's 10 o'clock. It's midnight. It's 6 a.m. now. See you at 8 p.m. I can't tell you exactly what time we will arrive. It's too late now. My watch is stopped. My watch is slow. Don't waste your time doing nothing. I didn't think it was so late. We have plenty of time. Give me a little more time. It's time to leave. It's almost time to go home. Time went by so fast. The supermarket opens at 9 a.m. The class starts at 8 in the morning. I'm sorry to say this, but I hate to tell you, but I'm angry about. I have a complaint to make. There seems to be a problem with. I'm afraid there is a slight problem with. Sorry to bother you, but I'm not satisfied with. Wouldn't it be a good idea to. Wouldn't it be a good idea not to. There appears to be something wrong with. I was expecting, but. Sorry to bother you, but I want to complain about. I'm afraid I've got a complaint about. I have to make a complaint about. I don't understand why. Excuse me, but there is a problem. Would you mind? I'm so sorry, but this will never happen again. I'm sorry, we promise never to make the same mistake again. I can't tell you how sorry I am. I wish it never happened. Sorry, there is nothing we can do about it. Sorry, but it's not our fault. I'm afraid there isn't much we can do about it.
Welcome to Shadowing English, ESC, your channel where you learn English the smart way by shadowing.